Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your wealth strategies with Wealthfront, beginner guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your wealth strategies with Wealthfront, start by visiting the Wealthfront website. Create an account by clicking the Get Started button on the homepage. Provide your email address and create a secure password. Once your account is set up, complete the onboarding questionnaire. This questionnaire assesses your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment preferences. Review the recommended investment plan based on your responses. Wealthfront will suggest a diversified portfolio tailored to your goals. Take a moment to understand the asset allocation proposed and how it aligns with your risk profile. Next, link your bank account to facilitate fund transfers. Follow the instructions to securely connect your bank account. Deposit funds into your Wealthfront account by choosing the amount you'd like to invest. Wealthfront requires a minimum deposit, so ensure you meet that requirement. Once your funds are available, Wealthfront will begin automating your investments. Monitor your portfolio through the Wealthfront dashboard. The dashboard provides insights into your investment performance and progress. Utilize the financial planning tools available on the platform. These tools can help you visualize your financial future and set actionable goals. Consider setting up automatic deposits to grow your investments consistently. Wealthfront allows you to schedule regular transfers from your bank account. Periodically review your investment strategy as your financial situation changes. Make adjustments through the platform as needed to stay aligned with your goals. Lastly, take advantage of Wealthfront's tax loss harvesting feature to optimize your returns. This feature is designed to minimize your tax liability by selling losing investments. By following these steps, you will effectively enhance your wealth strategies using Wealthfront. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.